how to prepare a cappuccino using manual milk steaming in LIGRE nerd mode. Remove the portafilter by gently turning it to the left. Place it into the grinder's holder and let go. Grinding starts on its own. While that's happening, pour around 150 milliliters of your preferred milk into a milk jug. Once the preset amount has been reached, the grinder stops and you can remove the portafilter. Level the surface of the ground coffee with the leveler, then tamp it straight, evenly, and with firm, consistent pressure. You can brush away any remaining coffee grounds with a barista brush. Now insert the portafilter into the brew group by turning it from a slight left angle towards the center until it locks into place. To start the brewing process, press the center butterfly. Make sure that double espresso is selected on the display. After 3 seconds, the brewing process starts automatically, and after around 25 to 35 seconds, the extraction stops. Briefly press the right butterfly to release any condensation from the steam wand, our LIGRE foamer. Now, for the milk frothing. Position the milk jug so that the tip of the foamer is submerged about 1 centimeter below the surface. Pull the right butterfly towards you to start steaming. During the stretching phase, keep the tip close to the surface so that a soft, steady hissing sound is audible. This incorporates air into the milk and creates microfoam. Once the milk reaches around 42 degrees, lower the foamer slightly into the milk to begin the rolling phase. The milk should now spin evenly to fully integrate the air into a smooth, silky texture. At 60 to 62 degrees, tilt the butterfly back to stop the steaming process. When the milk surface is glossy and free of visible bubbles, it's perfect for pouring. After frothing, remove the jug, wipe the steam wand with a damp cloth, and briefly pull the right butterfly again to flush out any remaining milk. Finally, pour the frothed milk into your freshly brewed espresso using a subtle swirling motion for the perfect finish. Your cappuccino is now ready for you to enjoy.